Hello friends, day 135, and I left my campsite this morning and followed the River Taunton for a while and then moved on to the line of the Grand Western Canal. Initially it was just a ditch in a field, and then it became more like a canal, and eventually it was in water, and it seems to be managed by Devon County Council. Oh yes, I'm in Devon now as well, but not many boats on it. Anyway, I followed that all the way into Tiverton, and Tiverton sadly seemed to be closed. Very quiet town given its size, and not much in the way of accommodation. I managed to find a room at the Premier Inn, so that's where I am tonight, and I will be washing all my clothes and getting sorted out so that I can carry on tomorrow and camp again tomorrow night. Let's have a look at some of the pictures of the Grand Western Canal. Meanwhile, see you on the trail.